kinuha ng mga taga-NBI at ginulpe si Terence Lim. Yung
So that everyone knows, Terence Lim is Senate
is
Security.
Senate OSA our
OSA.
employee.
Yes.
At yung isang taga-OSA naman ay hinarangan at tinabayhan ng isang taga-NBI. Nung gulpi at dapa na siya, lalo pang ginulpe, ayaw siyang palapitan sa medical. At nung siya'y binuhat, dinadala siya at pinosasan at dadalin siya sa sasakyan ng NBI para dalhin sa NBI. Okay? That's inside our premises. Have I heard anyone say that the dignity of the Senate is at stake here because the NBI ay nanggulpe sa loob ng ating premises, ayaw sumunod sa order ng Senate President at tinatakot pa ang ibang OSA at isasakay sa kotse at dadalhin sa NBI. Isa lang po sa minority ang narinig ko po. Si Mig Subiri, former Senate President. Did you ever hear me say anything about that? No. Because we're all waiting for the independent investigation. Do you have the video para kitang-kita? Nakipaghabulan kay Senator Bato. When they were leaving the building, nagtutulakan, kinuha ng mga taga-NBI at ginulpe si Terence Lim. Yung
So that everyone knows, Terence Lim is Senate
is
Security.
Senate OSA our
OSA.
employee.
Yes.
At yung isang taga-OSA naman ay hinarangan at tinabayhan ng isang taga-NBI. Nung gulpi at dapa na siya, lalo pang ginulpe, ayaw siyang palapitan sa medical. At nung siya'y binuhat, dinadala siya at pinosasan at dadalhin siya sa sasakyan ng NBI para dalhin sa NBI. Okay? That's inside our premises. Have I heard anyone say that the dignity of the Senate is at stake here because the NBI ay nanggulpe sa loob ng ating premises, ayaw sumunod sa order ng Senate President at tinatakot pa ang ibang OSA at isasakay sa kotse at dadalhin sa NBI. Isa lang po sa minority ang narinig ko po. Si Mig Subiri, former Senate President. Did you ever hear me say anything about that? No. Because we're all waiting for the independent investigation. Do you have the video para kitang-kita?
Okay.
Guys, kanina ko pa sinasabi, excuse me, Madam President.
We have the video.
Can you show the whole video?
Pakita.
Kahit yung ano,
Yes.
yung palabas pa lang, kahit na sabihin yung hindi kitang-kita siya doon.
Mula sa simula, please, yung video.
Yung palabas pa lang sila Terence doon sa harap.
Who's in charge of the video? Oh. Yes, may we
Yeah.
request
While they're preparing it,
the
Madam Chair,
technical to show the video
this is
from the
what
start?
will set the tone of why our OSA was on high alert on Tuesday and Wednesday. And that is why they were wearing vests, and that is why they had to have weapons. Because the NBI was treating the Senate like a palengke. Oh, ayan, is that it?
The person in white on the ground is Terence Lim, OSA,
And all
or
those
Senate
who are
Security.
holding them back are NBI. Yung NBI pa ang pumipigil. Ang pulis nakatingin lang. Yeah, continue the video. No, show the whole video, yung hanggang binitbit sa kotse. O yung CCTV. Hindi pa nakita nung maraming senador to. Madam Chair, that's one reason na hindi ko sinisisi yung iba sa minority. Kasi ako mismo, hindi ko nakita yung buong, yung buong video. That's why I have communicated to everyone, including to the NBI. mag-inhibit sila, tapusin natin ng buong buo yung investigasyon para makita natin kahit yung yung CCTV muna. But the point is, Madam Chair, paglabas pa lang dinukot siya, ginulpe, ayaw palapitan sa medical. Isipin niyo po sa loob ng sarili nating remember, Madam President, this is not a department. We're not the DOJ, the DOLE, DSWD. We are a branch of government. The Constitution says we are a co-equal branch. Ang usaha ba pwedeng manggulpe sa loob ng Malacanang? Ang usaha ba pwedeng manggulpe sa loob ng Supreme Court? Pero ba narinig ko yung dignity natin, New York? Yung ating dignity ay giniba dahil sa NBI? Wala po eh. Si Alang Cayetano pa rin ang pinagbibintangan nyo. Bakit? Ako ba nang gulpi dyan? Hindi po ako ang pumayag. If you see the video, more than 20 agents of the NBI were allowed in on May 11. And we already napagtagpi-tagpi. The OSAA then and the SecGen were meeting. They even inspected the helipad and all parts kung saan pwesto yung mga NBI. So again, at this point, I'm not making a conclusion. At this point, I'm not pointing fingers. So let me move to the last point. Moving on, moving forward. Video ba? Pinakita nyo na kanina yung CCTV. O yan, palabas pa lang. O yan.
Ilabas mo kamay mo! Lumabas! Narinig ko! Narinig ko, hindi ako magalinga! Ilabas mo kasi kamay mo!
Binubugbog si Terence Lim na OSAA Senate employee.
Ng NBI sa loob ng Senate premises. At nung binugbog na, ayaw pandalin sa medical. Ayan, nakatayo na. Oh. Footage ng GMA yan. May footage din na. Dinadala sa kotse ng NBI. Pwede ba yung OSAA na kunin ang taga-PSG at isakay ng sasakyan ng Senate at kunin sa Malacanang? Pwede ba yung OSAA pumasok ng Supreme Court at kunin yung isang security ng Supreme Court at isakay? Yan, pinusasan, isasakay sa sasakyan ng NBI. Yan, tignan nyo sa kaliwa, yung mga taga-NBI, pinipigilan yung ibang OSAA na tulungan si Terence.
Pinagtulungan ang isang Senate Security OSAA Terence Lim ng mga taong allegedly, I'm not sure who they are, within Senate premises na nambugbog. Yung punot dulo nito ay hindi tayo sigurado kung ano ang kanilang gustong gawin.
Madam President, I am 1,000% sure, 10 times over 100% sure, that hindi to inauthorize ni Senate President Soto. In fact, when this happened, ako na ang Senate President. So I'm also 1,000% sure na hindi ko to inauthorize. And if you look at our rules and the Constitution, we have jurisdiction over our premises. So, dun sa nagsasabing hindi inatake ang Senado, sige, nagpipigil na nga ako, hindi na nga ako nagsasalita eh. Pero nakita nyo nangyari yan. So, ano yung context ng CONAS? I don't take it against Senator Soto, Senator Lacson, Senator Bam Aquino, Senator Kiko. They were not senators from 2022 to 2025. When Senator Mig Subiri and the rest of the group had to deal with the PI issue. Okay, that's in the past. So moving na. Okay. So I think lahat naman po tayo na ilabas na natin ang ating mga opinion. And I'm not stopping anyone from talking. It's a holiday on Wednesday. It's a day that Muslim Filipinos will be celebrating. Dapat makiisa po tayo sa paniniwala ng bawat isa out of respect, not sa same paniniwala. And I'm not suggesting we stop talking about politics. I'm suggesting number one, na pagbigyan ako ni Senator Amy na i-withdraw instead of ipa-strike off. Bakit po? Nakalagay kasi sa rules natin, any statement, and I paraphrasing, no, that offends a senator or the institution. No, so theoretically, may sabihin lang aking kaibigan Senator Migs, even if it's correct o hindi. It's the reason for this rule. What rule is that? That's yeah. No senator under any circumstance shall use offensive or improper language against another senator or against any public institution. This has happened many times in this August hall. This has happened. We offended each other. But why do you have this rule? Because we're collegial. The reality is we have to go home tonight upset at each other. But we have to go back tomorrow and work. Yun yung spirit nung sinabi ni Senator Pia na nangamusta ba? Because siguro sa lahat sa atin, bukod sa hindi siya mapolitika, she genuinely treats everyone as her friend. So when something traumatic happens, many of our kababayans don't know that while myself, Senator Mark were in my room, Senator Loren, Senator Camille, and Senator Pia, once the security find out na barilan na, rushed into my room, turned off the light, then pushed them into a smaller room, yung banyo. Diba? So, it's traumatic. You may criticize what she said, how she said, etc. But akala ko ba all feelings are valid? Bakit pag na-trauma yung nasa majority ngayon, mali. Pero pag na-trauma yung minority, okay lang. Diba? I'm talking in general. Whether you talk about green, yellow, pink. So, labas na ako dyan. Hindi naman ako Senate President ng buong bansa in the sense that I'm not elected like the Vice President and the President. I'm Senate President, but I am the servant leader of the 24 senators, including Senator Bato. I'm here at your service. Kung papayagan ako ni Senator Amy, then I'll ask her to withdraw. Number two, kung papayagan ako ng minority, tomorrow, let's talk about the impeachment, but let's also talk about what are your priorities. What are our priorities? Let's use the last few session days. You want to talk about changing the Senate President? I won't take it against you. It's your right. Pero wag tayo sa yung integridad ng institusyon kasi syempre, didepensa kami. 'Di ba? Dahil ang tingin namin, bumaksak na to dati pa. But we're not pointing fingers. Bakit bumaksak? We're just letting history judge it. Sabi po nung iba, fresh start. Bakit? Hindi ba fresh start pagdating ko? Hindi pa nga ako nagsa-start, inuupakan na ako eh. Ganun na ganun nangyari sa SEA Games. When I was Secretary of Foreign Affairs, not a threat, serving everyone, wala akong problema sa SEA Games. As soon as I ran for Congress at sinabing magsi-speaker, kaliwat kanan na yung banat sa akin. But we proved them wrong. Nanahimik kami, overall champion, most number of gold medals, and it launched the careers of many in the Olympics. So, again, I can take that attitude. Sa SEA Games, nagpaglalaki muna ako. Actually, wala naman akong choice. Pero, hindi kami gumante. Bakit? Because in the end, the performance will decide or will dictate whether we were justified or not yung mga pinanggagawa. So the same with me. Judge me as Senate President every single day, every single week. Kung tatagal ako ng 1 month, 2 months, edi for 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, di ba? Pero yung inuunahan, hindi pa nag-umpisa, fresh start na, medyo foul naman yon. Yes, it's political, pero medyo foul naman, di ba? So I guess yun lang naman po ang spirit ng ating mga privilege speech dito na very political. Can we go back and start talking again about health, about education, about that's why we were unanimous in retaining and again putting Senator Win as the chairman of the Protect Committee because he was doing a good job in how the government can help us, no? So again, my speech is not perfect. You want to interpolate me in a later date, etc. But lahat nung nasa minority may tama kayong sinabi kanina. Sabi niyo po, people are watching us. So Senator Amy, the ball is first in your hands. Afterwards, it goes to the minority. Thank you for giving me this. Sandali lang po, Senator Padilla, na hindi ko tataasan ng boses, brother. Ay magsasalita muna daw. Thank you for this opportunity, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Senate President Alan Cayetano. We recognize